Hello and welcome to TGFF. Thanks God for food. My name is Jerry, and like always, thank you so much for watching this video. It's like 90 degrees right here in upstate New York, so right now I'm in lunch, and I stopped by Subway. Yep, it's been a long time since I don't stop by Subway, and I can remember, maybe a month. I don't know. I've been stopping by BK, Wendy's, Pizza, but I stopped by Wendy's and they got a new drink, passion fruit orange guava. That sounds so exotic, but I never tried. It's a new one, so I'm gonna try. Oh wow. Passion fruit orange guava. Bring me back memories when I was a little kid back in Peru and eating fresh guava. Delicious, very good, very refreshing. It's not sweet how like you've been drinking a soda or anything like that. This is something new. I like it. And for my lunch, I got a spicy Italian. You know, pepperoni, salami. And they got a new condiment, which is a spicy oil. It's an oil with look at this bad boy, huh? Lettuce, onions, tomato, the simple pepper jack, cheese, salami. It's pretty good. Good. Very nice and healthy. Yeah, pepperoni and salami. Let's see. Let's go downtown. There you go. I love salami and pepperoni. Pretty good. I can deny, it's pretty good. From 1 to 10, you guys got 7. 7 thumbs up. I love my subs with a lot of lettuce. Especially when the sap starts with spicy. Because the lettuce calm a little bit. Pretty cool. But definitely, the star is the drink. So good. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my reviews. A spicy Italian. From 1 to 10, maybe a 6 or 7. It's not that bad. And I think I will give you a number 10 to the passion fruit orange guava. 10 because it's delicious, especially when it's almost 90 degrees in New York. Something like that to calm me down. I like it. Thank you for watching my reviews, guys. I really appreciate your time that you taken to watching my videos. I'm pretty close to 100 subscribers. Wow, that's exciting. That's exciting. 100 subscribers. Yeah, I don't know what to do. So please leave in a comment and see. Give me an idea. How can I celebrate 100 subscribers? Okay. I would really appreciate it if you guys give me the kind of idea. I don't know. Maybe eat more bugs. Eat some something really spicy. I don't know. You guys give me an idea, please. Okay. Well, until next time, guys. Thank you so much, and thanks God for food.